Hey guys, if you've just received your first Huel, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you the best way to make yourself a meal of Huel powder or Huel Black Edition. First, fill your shaker to the line with cold water. That's 500 ml. Next, add your 2 scoops of Huel. If you're using a scale, that's 100 grams of Huel powder. If you want to, you can add your grid back in the shaker now. We've tested it and we think it really helps it make your Huel smoother. But if you don't want to use it, don't worry. Finish off by securing the lid and you're good to go. And this is the important bit. You've got to shake your Huel for 10 seconds or until it's smooth. But you've got to give it some oomph. There's a difference between shaking Huel and shaking your Huel. And it's as simple as that. But here are some of our best tips for making it and some ideas for customizing your Huel. 1 scoop is 200 calories, and for every 1 scoop, we recommend 250 mils of water. That's between the fill line and the base of the shaker. So work out how many calories are right for your meal and then fit Huel to those requirements. We always recommend you add water first. That's gonna stop Huel powder clumping in the bottom of your shaker. If this is your first time making Huel, then 500 mils is a great place to start. You can add less than 500 mils of water if you prefer your Huel thicker, or you can add a little more water if you want your Huel less thick. It's really up to you. If you want a frosty cold Huel, then ice is essential. Just add in a few cubes before you shake to chill down your Huel. Huel is here for your most inconvenient meals. So try swapping out one of your regular meals for Huel, like midweek breakfast or lunch. There's no right way or wrong way to have Huel. It's all about finding what works for you. Try this way first, and then check out part 2 for more tips.